Okay, so I'm gonna review Series 4, one of the Series 1 and 3. So let's see Mothwing. So she's cute with her fluffy tail and her markings. She looks kinda mad, but that's fine. I like her ears. They're really smooth actually. They just seem really cool. And I like the bunnies. So I do hope they make more in the future. It would be really cool to have Leafpool and Koofy. Those are like two of my favorite characters. So I really want those bunnies. And yeah, she looks really cool. I like her. And Huckfrost. He looks really cool. Nice fluffy. Nice blue eyes. Scarp here. Then nice ears. I really like the ears. His tail's buck for some reason though. And he does look kinda cool. I like the design. And yeah. And let's maple shade. So yeah, she's cool. The chipped ear. I like the pattern on her tail. Her eyes. The back of her. She is a cool mini. She's really floofy too. There isn't really much I have to say about her, but yeah, she does look cool. But yeah. And then we have Crooked Star. I really like him too. I like how they put his scar right here and his floofy tail. And it's really cool how they did his jaw on the flat muzzle surface. It's really cool. And yeah, the strips are slightly darker color. And he looks really cool. I like him. Now he's on more sad, the booster and the dark strip. The booster looks cool. I only imagine her with this one scar on her shoulder, but that's fine. They made her look like a little blue star, which I like, with the color on her muzzle. Back is just plain. But yeah, she does look really cool. Nice eyes. And everything about her looks nice. So yeah. And then here's the dark strip. He also looks cool. I like the yellow eyes and the scars. And I do not know why they put the strips there. It's the same color as him. Yeah. Fluffiness. He is fluffy. I really like him. And he just looks really cool, yeah. Okay. So, I got these for Christmas, which is why they aren't opened yet. I already cut the tape off of the boxes, though, so you don't have to see me struggling. These are really cool. Squirrelfly and Scourge. These look really cool. I really like these. Wow. Okay. So Scourge, the only real problem I have with him is the collar. But even with that, he looks really cool. The white paw, the piercing blue eyes, the chip in the ear. He has everything. And he's just a black cat. The spiky tooth color. And that says it looks like the C in the circle, and it's, oh god, that focus is bad. It says WPL, yes, China, and then like the number is, I don't know, it's just there. So that's Scourge. And Squirrelflight looks really cool. Her eyes are sort of yellowish green, but that's so cool. They both have their one white paw, so that's cool. And her floofy tail, I like it. And her really cool markings. She kind of looks like her father, which is cool. She looks really nice. I like her. So yeah. Time to get Firestar and Leafstar out. There we go. So Firestar and Leafstar. Firestar, these are some of the these are like the first minis, the first wave, and they are very cool. Okay, this is so cool. So is this. Then Firestar on the back. I like the green eyes, the nose, and he just looks really cool. The nice big ears, and oh, they did that in black, and the new ones they do it in white, even if they're an orange cat. Oh wait, no, this one's in black. It just looks different on Firestar. I don't know why, but he looks really cool. I like him. Okay, so Leafstar also looks really cool. Nice stripes with a little bit mix of the lighter cream color on her stripes, and then mascara on her nose, and she's really fluffy, and I really like how she looks. Those are like amber eyes, I think. So yeah, I'll show you the back of the boxes, the different ones you can get. I got Squirrelflight Scourge, here's Yellow Fang and Ivypool, the Mudclaw and Ashfur. I really want Ashfur. Ashfur is like a really cool character, because he's really interesting. I like him. So yeah, I got Firestar and Leafstar, but you can also... Sorry. Okay, so Firestar and Leafstar, but you could get a Stretchy Feather and Tiger Star and Tiny Pope, but I didn't get those because they actually aren't available, but they were when they first come out. They were available, but they aren't anymore. But yeah, I think some of these are actually still available. not the Firestar and Leaf Star, but some of them are. But yeah, big guys.